Hey everybody, it's Melody. Welcome to my channel, and welcome if you're new. It's a wonderful day today. This dog is barking, the sun is shining. And we're going to be working on part 4 of our survival kit. Let's head inside and I'll meet you at the craft table. Welcome to the craft table. Welcome to my channel. Happy to have you here. Glad to have you here. So these are the 2 flaps that we'll be working on, and I apologize if my hands do look a little red. I have eczema. Try to raise eczema awareness. Filming at my house as I usually do, so if you hear the dog or whatever, don't be surprised. Now let's move some of these things out of the way. I'm going to add a little bit of Mod Podge to this, so I need this to be completely glossy. We're going to let that dry, and we'll move on to our next pocket. So we've already done 8 flaps. I know it doesn't seem possible, right? Oh my gosh, you go someplace and you're like, oh, how's my breath? Now that nobody's wearing masks most of the time, yeah, our breath is an issue again, right? So I'm gonna get in here a little bit of chewing gum. You could also do some breath mints. I am just gonna do chewing gum because it's flat. Let's grab a little washi and we'll seal that up. Now we're gonna make the pocket. We'll do this one in green. Let's do that. Break up your fibers by going like that, just to create some space there. Best to do that before you put the glue on, but I'm keeping it real here, so so I do that afterwards. Oh my gosh, so cute. And we're gonna spell, oh you guessed it, we're gonna spell chewing gum. Well, let's just do gum. All right, there's our letters. Let me zoom you in just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. But I got this at, I believe, the Goodwill for $1. All right, I think I'm gonna go with wisdom. And there is some wisdom in knowing when it is time to grab a piece of gum. So we've got wisdom there and gum right there. So let's move on. This one is gonna be hair ties in this pocket. So cute. Okay, again, you know the drill. Chunk out of here. That looks good. And I just grabbed a couple different hair ties. So the dinner discussion for tonight, I actually made this really fun dish that I got from an old recipe, and it's like a sauerkraut casserole. So, oh my gosh, I love sauerkraut. It's so delicious. And yeah, let's put that on an angle because frankly, I think it's more fun. Oh gosh, that's cute, isn't it? Be very careful anytime you're working with anything sharp. So we have our gum, we have our hair ties, and now let's go on to the strips of tape. Oh my gosh, guess what? The Mod Podge seems to be holding it. And we're just going to do multiple revolutions on here. All right, now we have our little tape card, our card of tape. I went ahead and scored these little areas here because I needed a way to really have some space for something that's kind of more bulky. So we're doing hair tie number 2. So this was the first one. I was able to pull that off. I don't need this pocket this large. All right, let's grab a little chunk out of here because it would just be easier to get the hair ties out. All right, so this is an issue here. I don't know how I want to solve this. So as you can see, I kind of created like a tube, right? But I need to have this stay down, but I want to keep this bulk here. So I'm not sure yet how I can solve this. I could cut a notch in here. Would that work? Cut a notch and then this can lie flat. Maybe I can overlap them a little. There appears to have been a struggle. Okay, so this is how we're going to cover this hot mess. So now I just created a little cover here, and I grabbed one of the stickers out of that sticker pack that says sassy. Yeah, this is just so much fun. I'm having such a blast with this, and I just can't wait to have some things I want in my car with me. All right, oh my gosh, you're just not gonna believe this. So it's been like a week since I was filming, but yeah, so I dropped my phone last week, totally destroyed it. It wasn't working at all. So it just kind of messed up my whole week with filming and whatnot. But here we are. So we're back at it and we're gonna continue. All right, so now the pocket for that. So we're gonna do a red pocket for the washi tape. I'm popping it into this coin envelope. When I say survival kit, it's like survival kit light, okay? These are things to keep in the car to kind of make your life easier. Am I using the wrong piece of paper? Of course, here we go. Now we've got the right piece of paper, we're right on track. All right, that's gonna be glued down there. Let's decorate up the coin envelope. I grabbed some stamps. All right, so we've got tape on there. There'll be one more video in this series after this one. Once we are done, I'm gonna go back and show you everything, a grand reveal, right? And then there's gonna be other things that I've done that you haven't seen yet because I added some more to this. So hopefully you didn't miss any of the videos in this series. If you did, I'll link them here. They're also in the description box below. Last but not least, in this video, we are adding, well, maybe I shouldn't tell you because then you're gonna stop watching, right? Okay, I'm gonna make the pocket for the gigantic thing that is going in here. Good grief. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let's do the angle cut again. Instead of using the circle punch, let's just do an angle. I can't work upside down with these with angles. I don't know. Okay, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, get ready because this is gonna be a clue as to what's going in this pocket. The clue starts with an A, then there's a C, and then an H. So we've got our first letter, we've got our Scotch Create glue stick, of course, as you know, that is my favorite. It's so cute. Okay, that is what I'm looking for. Okay, are you ready? So, here's what we're putting in. Achoo was the clue. And as I'm sure you can guess, tissues, that's what we're putting in. So then we just take that up and then our tissues are inside. This will keep them nice and clean. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have gotten some value out of this video, I would appreciate your support very much. And I do hope from the bottom of my heart that you are all doing well, that things are going well for you. I just want you to know that I truly do care about people. I know I don't know all of you personally, but I truly do care about people, and so you're all in my thoughts and prayers. I hope that things just are going well for you in your life. And if you've had some fun or learned something, please subscribe, and I'll catch you later.